This video, I want to tell you how you can use this turnkey system and never miss a commission. I know that's a concern of many people is they are concerned about getting started and not getting the commissions because let's say they get started at the lowest product. By the way, every product is sold on its own. You don't have to buy one to get to the next one. They're all sold on their own. But let's say you don't have the money to go all in and purchase all the products, but you do have, let's say, $10, but you're afraid you're going to lose those commissions. In this video, I'm going to show you why that's not going to happen and why you can get started wherever you want to get started. The point is to get started. This turnkey system does everything for you. You literally don't have to do hardly anything other than refer people to this system. The system will follow up for you. The system will close sales for you. It will do everything for you. So you just focus on one thing. What I want to do though is I want to get into just a little bit. Okay. So here's the $10 product. It's a life transformation app. It's something that is going to help you level up in life. There's just no way it won't. I use it every day. Uh, in my opinion, I believe that every single person, if they want to be healthier, have a better mindset, uh, get more done in a day, be more efficient, this is an absolute must-have, and it's only $10. So this is the product you get, but you also get the turnkey system. So I just kind of want to show you that. Like it has a habit tracker. I love the habit tracker. See, I'm a 47-day streak, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter in today's. So here's today's. Uh, you can see it makes a little tone there with the confetti. And I only do two because I like to keep it simple. And my two are workout, make a video. That's my two, but you can put as many as you want. You can put as few as you want. You can make it like different steps towards a goal, right? You can do anything you want with this. It's really awesome. And it definitely helps me. There's notes. You can take notes. There's a journal. There's a calendar, like the Google Calendar right here. You can use that. Everything, quotes, like everything you need to level up in life. I mean, this is a very powerful tool. And I just wanted to show it because I just think it's really awesome. Also, you get the whole entire system access. So let me just show you that real quick. You get a full social media platform that was designed just for this program. Doesn't exist anywhere else. And you can see, people post and there's all kinds of updates being talked about, and you can see live recognition. Now they also have opened up for only the $10 that I just showed you, uh, the Let's Goal right here. They've also opened up the Monday call to everybody, no matter what product level you're at, where you get live training. Like you get to hear what real members are doing to make sales. And these can be brand new members, these can be veterans, people who have been around, these can be experienced marketers. But before, that was only available to our premium members who are paying 125 a month for premium. So now it's available even for the $10 members. I just keep adding more and more value. Now, what I wanted to show you today, and I left this open. I was going to open up the pages and make it a little easier a little quicker to go through, but I want to show you how easy it is to navigate this. So I can go to affiliate or I can click on links, which is affiliate links right here. Affiliate or either one. So I'm going to go to affiliate real quick. And right here, you're going to see my turnkey capture page system right there. And I just copy it and it's right in. Okay, now what I want to do is I actually want to take you over to the sales page that comes next after you enter your information. So you're kind of getting a sneak peek of how this works, right? And I just want to open that up real quick, real easy. So I just copied it. Now I'm just going to paste it right in and it's going to open it right up. And there's the sales page. It's all done. I don't have to create it. I don't have to create the video. It looks very nice. It literally walks people through on this sales page. You can learn everything about the company on this sales page. Like you don't need to go anywhere else. You don't need to research anything else. It's all on this page. And if you have any questions, we have an AI chatbot named Sage that will answer your questions and even take you through a closing process. So it'll take your leads through a closing process, a natural closing process. So it's going to take them. You don't have to do this. You don't have to know what to say. You don't have to know what the answer to the question is. It's going to take them. Sage is going to take them, answer their questions, and move them closer to the sale for you. So you make the commission, 80% residual commissions, the highest residual commissions in the industry, in the world, actually. There is no other company paying this much money. It's insane how much they're paying to the affiliates. It doesn't exist anywhere else. But anyway, we can go through here. But what I really wanted to show you and illustrate to you. So let's just say you're not ready to purchase all the products. And here are the products you can see right here. We have the Let's Go app, which I showed you for $10. We have the Funnel Builder, which is $25. We have Premium, which is $125 a month. And all three, okay, that would equal $128 residual. You can do the math. You could actually start all three today for just $35 because they give you the premium free for a full 7 days. So it's completely free. You try the whole thing out. I'm not going to go into all the products. What I do want to talk about though is what happens. Let's say for the $10 a month, let's say you're looking at this and you're like, oh, you know what? I really like what I'm seeing. I like the leverage that's built into this. I like how much they're paying, 80% residual commissions. Like no one's paying that. I really like the turnkey system. I really think this is something that could really benefit me, really help me make some extra money, make some money that could maybe free me from my job. I really, really like this, but I only have $10. That's all I have to invest right now. I just I'm not able to do anything else. I can only do the $10. Okay. So here's what happens. Let's say you join at the $10. Okay, let's go. You're getting this amazing, amazing app, which is Let's Go. You're going to use it every day. I'm telling you, when you use this thing, it will change your life. You will get more done. You will feel better. You will get more healthy. I mean, I work out every day now. Like every day I work out. I'm always working on my mindset every day, because what you think, what you speak, that's what becomes your world. You create your world with what you speak, right? So this is just very, very powerful. Like I said, reading, they have a speed reader in here. I mean, it has everything. Everything that's going to level up your life is in here. It's just fantastic. You can see how many commissions have been made to date. To date, this is how many have been paid out. So we're almost to 7 million commissions have been paid out by this company. Um, but okay, back to this $10, right? You don't have the money to do anything else, or maybe you're concerned about the monthly and you just, you want to try it out, you want to test it out. By the way, probably the wrong decision. I don't know anybody that just goes and tests it out and goes out and does anything significant. But let's just say that's all you can do, right? In my opinion, it's better to get started than not started, than wait and try to get the money. It's just better just to get in. You made the decision, get into momentum, do something, right? So let's say you're at $10, right? And let's say you're out there, you're sharing this turnkey system with people, and you come across somebody and they're excited and they're like, yes, I want to go in. I want to get all three of the products. Okay. You're only at the $10. So what's going to happen? Well, in most companies, what happens is those two sales, so the $20 commission and the $100 residual commission, would be passed up to somebody that has that product. Here, it doesn't happen that way. What happens is they are going to hold the commission, they're going to email you, and they're going to give you a period of time to decide, hey, yeah, I do want to get that commission. And they're going to allow you to go ahead and purchase the product so you can get that commission, right? Or you can forfeit it, but that's your choice. So you have that. So So you have that available to you. So you never have to miss a commission ever because you will have the opportunity if it happens, which it happens, believe me, it happens. People upgrade all the time. They see the value. Everything in this system is built to bring people into wanting to upgrade naturally. And that's on another video I made. But everything is built into this where that happens naturally. But let's just say you're not ready for that yet. Maybe you're just not confident enough to believe it's going to work for you. Whatever it is, just be confident in knowing that if you make a commission and you don't have that product, you will have the opportunity to purchase the product and earn that commission. That's pretty awesome, right? And that's really all I wanted to cover today. There really isn't too much else. I mean, I could go on and on about this program. I've been in it for almost 5 years now. They always pay on time every time. The value, I mean, from the time I started this to what it is now, they've completely transformed the entire platform. It's completely different than what it was. It's so streamlined, so simple, so leveraged. We never had a turnkey system. It's always paid 80% commissions and always well. That's one of their principles. They're not going to change that. Like other programs like to change their comp plan ever so often, and then that affects you. That affects what you're making. That affects your opportunity to freedom. They pay you the highest residual income around. And the thing about this program is it doesn't matter how much value they pump into this. Like they redid the whole entire thing. Like they could have definitely added another cost, right? They don't add more cost. It's the same price, no matter what. So really, really great system, really great program. You can't go wrong. This Let's Go app is phenomenal. It will level you up in life. I don't care if you're a teacher, if you're a lawyer, if you're a marketer, if you'll drive a forklift, like whatever it is you're doing, like this will level you up in life when you start doing it. There's just no other way around it. Because, I mean, look at everything it has here: goal cards, vision board, digital journal, task management, habit tracker, nutrition tracker, notes, morning routine. And they even have it so it alerts you, hey, it's time to do your morning routine, gratitude journal, quotes journal, vision, purpose, affirmations, calendar, and planning coach. I mean, this has literally everything you need to level up in life. Only $10. You get 7 family member accounts free. So, I mean, that could be friends, that could be your family members. So they get an account where they can access this as well without paying anything extra. As I said, focus reader, spouse account. So the spouse account, that account is that gives them access to what you have access to. So that whole platform, everything there, everything you have, your spouse gets access to. Doesn't have to pay extra money for it. What's working now? Weekly webinar, learn from members actually making sales. Okay, so again, like I said, turnkey system. Maybe you're concerned, oh, I don't know, maybe it's a little too much for me. Start with $10. Get in there, see what it's all about. Start sharing the turnkey system. We show you how to do it. Believe me, you're going to have more than enough training on how to do it. Um, and when you're ready, you can upgrade. But at least this way, you're in the game, you're getting into momentum, you're able to start earning. And if a sale does come along that you don't have the product, you have that option to purchase the product. Now, is that amazing or what? That's all I got. Thanks for watching. And all you got to do is just go to the link in my description of this video. That'll take you right into the system and you can decide where it is you want to get started. It's all listed right here, right on the page. You can see $35 if you want. If you want the triple residual package, if you just want the $10, just go right here, boom, hit this button. It'll open it right up right here, and you can just decide what you want. Very streamlined, very simple, and you're ready. You're in the game, and that's it. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.